Okay, so this is the 8-gallon Kobalt oil-free air compressor portable that I told you that I got. And I'm going to show it to you, and I'm going to show you that layout, and then you can tell me what you think. But here's a few of the specs on it. Oops. It's an 8-gallon, 28 liter oil-free air compressor, 1.8 horsepower induction motor, 150 max PSI, removable handle, and 6.5-inch wheels, 4.0 CFM at 90 PSI. Okay, it's 120 volt, 60 hertz, 12.5 amp, 150 max PSI, 5.0 CFM at 40 PSI, 4.0 CFM at 90, and it's an 8-gallon hot dog tank. And then it says integrated control panel with steel case, gauges, regulator, and brass quick coupler. Also, pump and motor is fully shrouded for less noise. Let's see, what else does that say? Lever handlebar valve for easy maintenance. And here's kind of another little picture of it. But obviously I haven't put it together yet, because I wanted to make sure that this is actually what I wanted and needed, and what you thought, if this is sufficient or if I should get something else. Now, I'm not trying to paint cars, maybe a piece here or there, but anyway. Okay, hang on and I'll get to the system, the airflow system. Okay, so I'm still in the process of organizing my garage. Now, I know right here is where my dad had a similar sized one at one point. But anyway, as you can see, there's a hose. Lighting's not so great right here. Right here, still connected. Well, actually, I guess this would fit into the actual compressor, if I'm correct. And anyway, this looks like about a 3-foot hose, maybe. It's running along the PVC pipe. And this is down low. I'll back up here in just a second. Comes about a foot or so. And it travels up this wall right here. If I can find it, it's back behind this stuff running along this 2x4, this stud right here. Okay. And then that is up to the ceiling, or the roof, where it elbows. And this is a 2-car garage, so the garage door is up, so I'm going to step back and, oops. Okay, so that's located under this workbench here. And as you can see also, there are some outlets right there. There's that back there. And if I come over here, there's one here. There's one here. I wouldn't run it off that because I run other things off of that. Here's my breaker boxes. Some are for the inside, some are for out here. Okay, so it's running along that, on the other side of that beam. This is the one garage door, which is up. You can't see it, and hopefully I don't trip and bust my ass. But anyway, so it's running along. Here would be the second garage door behind all this stuff. And it is running right behind that beam up there. Oops. Watch your step, watch your step. And it comes over here to the other side of the garage. Okay. And there it elbows again. And it's coming down to right here. Here's a coupling right there, sticking out. And nothing protrudes beyond that. There's an outlet there. There's a switch here that runs to another light. If necessary, I can unplug this and turn that switch off. There's also this outlet. Here, let's see it. Down right there. So that's the end or the beginning. I think that is where he had his stand-up one at one point. But so some of what my question, I think, is, should I park my compressor in this area or back over here in this area? I'm more likely to use it over here in this, on this side of the room. And one other question that I had is, okay, it starts here and it comes this way, and then it was coming up, and I needed to know what this, he's got it capped off, what that's all about. And do I need to do anything? Or maybe that's where I need to put the filter at. I'm not sure. So that's that. I just need to know if that is sufficient and it's set up like it needs to, as far as if I want to use it at either side of the garage. And preferably I'm going to locate it up under this table. So should I need to haul it in the house, I can, because it does have wheels. And if not, if I should locate it off in that corner over there. And another question is, if it's located over here and it's hooked directly to that hose right there, can I hook up my other hose, turn it on over here, and use it from that one over there and get the same, I don't know, the same quality of airflow? Okay, so another thing is, it didn't come with the hose. I think there is a coupling already attached to it. I'll know when I take it out of the box. But this is the hose I got. It's a 50-foot by 3/8 inch, 300 psi polyhybrid air hose. You know, I'm not sure what's 3/8. I think that's the circumference of that, I hope, because I'm thinking that on the compressor, it's a 1/4 inch. But if not, I can always adapt or just get a different hose. I need to know if this hose will do what I need it to do, or if I should get something else. I also went ahead and got a air chuck, for a tire gate for the tires, to air up the tires. I got, the industrial, which has the mechanical and the industrial MPT coupler plug kit. But I think someone said something about getting a universal one. And also, I'd like to be able to, the compressor only has one outlet, so I'd like to be able to put a dual one on it. And I have this here that's going to probably put on a tool. Two of my air nailers, Brad nailers, have those already on them, so I won't have to do that. So I need to know, other than a filter and connecting it to, like I said, I'm thinking that it goes over to that pipe running against the wall, but I could be wrong. What else do I need? And is there any kind of maintenance that's recommended, that's not in the manual? Do's and don'ts, safety hazards, specific things to be aware of, specific things to watch for. Please give me feedback on this, and I will record as I open the box, which is not right at this moment, and put it together, because I believe the handle and the wheels are not assembled to it. Okay, thank you for listening, and like or don't like. This is actually for a cousin of mine, but hopefully, somebody's seen this and I get a reply back from him. I will let y'all know if this is most efficient setup. And he is in the Navy. His specialty is compressors, industrial compressors. I'm not sure much about these little ones, but I know the bigger ones, so on and so forth. So I value his opinion and his input, which is why I'm doing this. Again, thanks very much.